Have you ever felt nervous about speaking English? Have you ever worried that you're not good enough, or that people will judge you for making mistakes? You're not alone. Today, we'll talk about how to overcome that self-doubt and build the confidence you need to speak English with ease. So, let's dive in. Self-doubt is a feeling we all experience, especially when we're learning something new. When it comes to learning English, it's easy to feel like you're not improving fast enough, or that you'll never sound like a native speaker. But here's the thing. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. In fact, mistakes are a sign that you're trying. The key is to not let those mistakes hold you back. Have you ever been in a situation where you were too afraid to speak because you didn't want to make a mistake? Maybe you thought people would laugh at you. Well, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The goal is not to avoid mistakes, but to learn from them and move forward. Building confidence in English, or any language, is a journey. It doesn't happen overnight, but there are simple steps you can take to gradually build that confidence. 1. Start small. Begin with simple conversations. Practice with friends, or even talk to yourself in English. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become. 2. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Try to practice English every day, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes. Whether it's speaking, listening, or reading, regular practice helps improve your skills. 3. Positive self-talk. Believe in yourself. Instead of saying, "I can't speak English," say, "I'm learning, and I will get better." Your mindset matters. Encouraging self-talk will help you push through the self-doubt. 4. Learn from mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. Instead of feeling bad when you make a mistake, see it as an opportunity to improve. When you correct yourself, you're growing, and that's a huge win. Now, let's do a quick exercise together. Grab a pen and paper. I want you to write down 3 things you like about your English learning journey. These could be things like, 1. I'm getting better at understanding movies in English. 2. I can hold short conversations with my friends in English. 3. I learned a new word today and used it. Writing down positive things helps you focus on your progress, not your mistakes. This will boost your confidence and remind you how far you've come. Try doing this exercise every week, and you'll start to see just how much you're improving. Let me tell you about my friend Mia. Mia was always afraid of speaking English because she was worried about making mistakes. But she decided to start small. She began practicing with her classmates in English class. And even though she made a lot of mistakes, she kept going. Over time, Mia became so much more confident. Now she speaks English with ease and no longer feels embarrassed about making mistakes. Mia's story proves that confidence comes with practice and persistence. You can do the same. Just remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of the process. So, what's the main takeaway from today's video? Believe in yourself and keep practicing. Confidence doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent practice, positive self-talk, and a willingness to make mistakes, you'll improve your English and feel more confident. Remember, English is a skill, not a talent. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So go ahead, take that first step and keep practicing. You're already on the right track. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on learning English. Let us know in the comments, what's one thing you're doing today to build your confidence in English? Thanks for watching. and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more English learning tips.